I've got 6 summertime tips for kidney patients. We're going to talk about that and more coming right up. Hello, Kidney Warriors. James here with Dadvice TV, your online kidney health coach. And this is video number 80 in my journey from kidney failure to kidney great. Now, during that journey, I have not let my kidney health hold me back. And with the weather getting nice and the sun outside, I'm not about to stop with summertime here. But there are a few things that kidney warriors need to keep an eye on when it's summertime. So let's get right to it with my list of 6 summertime tips for kidney warriors. Number 1, get outside and move. Those sunny days are great for getting exercise while soaking in some of the sun's rays and creating some vitamin D. Exercise is a fantastic way to release stress and get the blood pumping. You could go for a walk, play with the kids, fly a kite, do some gardening, whatever it is that you enjoy that's outdoors and just gets you up and moving. Now, a tip here, you might want to stay inside between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. because that's when it's the hottest part of the day typically and the sun's rays are the strongest. Number 2, stay hydrated. It's easy to get lost in all the fun during the summer and to forget about fluid. And dehydration, it is not a friend of kidney health. What I like to do is always keep a nice tall bottle of cold water. I add a little lemon to mine for flavoring and to help keep the kidney stones away, and sip it throughout the day. Now, if your doctor puts you on a fluid restriction, you can try avoiding some of the heat in the direct sun. Spend more time in the shade, maybe even wear a hat, and hang around where they use misters to keep you cooler. Number 3, protect that skin. Unprotected sun exposure can lead to skin damage, which also increases the risk of skin cancer. Whenever possible, wear a hat, sit in the shade, wear a shirt. That way you're giving yourself some protection from the sun. But most importantly, always wear sunscreen. Now, it's important for kidney patients to know what's in your sunscreen because this is getting absorbed in your skin. Some of it's making its way into your bloodstream and then bam, getting to your kidneys. Your kidneys got to filter it out. I use, which my doctor recommends, a zinc oxide based skin protectant. And I like this one right here, Coppertone Pure and Simple. It's an SPF 50. Hey, come on, I've got a little bit of red in my hair. Got those freckles. I need that extra protection. Minimum SPF 15 is what doctors recommend. I go for the 50. Give me some extra protection. This doesn't have anything artificial in it. And guess what? This is one of the most affordable ones you can buy. So grab yourself a couple things of it. Keep it with you. Use it. Protect that skin. And number 4, protect those eyes. How do you do that? Wear sunglasses. Just like sunscreen protects your skin, sunglasses protect your eyes. Now, what you need to look for are ones that block at least 99% of UVB rays and 50% of UVA rays. Get you a couple pairs of these, keep some in the car, keep some with you, and whenever you're outdoors, put them on. Number 5, keep an eye on food portions. It's easy to get caught up in the fun, have a slice of watermelon here, a thick slice of watermelon over there, and kind of forgot how much I've been eating. And a lot of summertime food, it's a bit high in phosphorus and potassium. So keep track of how much you are eating. And if you get to choose between something natural and something processed, pick the natural. Remember, processed food that has things like phosphorus in it, we're absorbing that phosphorus at 80 to 100%. When it comes to natural, we absorb far less of it. Number 6, watch the sodium. A lot of summertime snacks are salty, from chips to pretzels. Heck, I even grew up salting my watermelon. Great memories, but not good for my kidney health. It's best to either avoid or greatly limit salty foods. That way, it's easier for you to keep your sodium levels in check, and salt makes you thirsty. And there you go, 6 summertime tips for kidney warriors to help keep their kidney health in check. And if you thought of anything that I've missed, let me know in the comments. It is great to learn from each other. All right, everybody, if you haven't subscribed already, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to hit that little bell icon. That way, every time I upload a brand new video, you'll be one of the first to find out. And don't miss the live shows that I do. The broadcast schedule is available on dadvicetv.com. All right, everyone, have a great and safe summer, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Another way to help support Dadvice TV is through YouTube memberships. Click the join button below to learn more about it and how you'll get to interact with me even more. Again, thanks for watching.